In this part, I'm going to talk about optimization problems. So optimization problems are mainly focusing on finding the absolute maximum or minimum values. Questions will be discovered in this section are finding maximum cost by determining price, revenue, and profit functions. Next, you'll be solving surface area problem. You'll be given different materials for the surface, different costs correspond to the material, and minimize the cost. Here is the scenario. Animal Huggers Club would like to raise funds by organizing a t-shirt sales. The maximum budget given by Taylor's College STC is 20 ringgit. As for the club, their target is to gain minimum 5 ringgit per t-shirt. Once the price rises 5 ringgit, 5 fewer people will buy the t-shirt. The club is aiming for 50 orders in this sale. Questions given are: find the function for number of units, price, and revenue. Identify the maximum revenue for the club t-shirt sale. Identify the profit that can be made by the club. To answer those questions, we will be using terms like X, which is the number of units, P of X, the price function, R of X for revenue function, C of X, the cost function, and P of X, which is the profit function. The application of derivative in this section is to determine the marginal revenue, which is R prime of X, marginal profit P prime of X, and marginal cost C prime of X. So now, back to the given scenario and question. We determine the fixed number at first, and then we either add or subtract number that varies. Focus on terms that indicate increase or decrease which it changes the number of the item due to the number of changes of the price, or the other way around. As for the revenue function, the formula is the multiplication of number of unit and price function, P of X. So we just multiply price function with X to get revenue function. Next question. Apply derivative to revenue function and identify the X value when marginal revenue is 0. Then substitute the X value into the revenue function. The conclusion will be Animal Huggers Club is able to earn the maximum revenue when 35 of t-shirts are sold, which the revenue will be 1,225 ringgit. Last question. Before we form profit function, we have to state cost function and revenue function. Cost function is the budget which it has stated in the given scenario. The formula for profit function is revenue minus cost. After that, repeat the same steps in previous question, apply derivative and find the X value when marginal profit is 0. Finally, substitute the X value into profit function, and that's how you get maximum profit.
Created using Powtoon.